guys, this is Suel from I Love Travel. Welcome to another brand new video, and today's video is super interesting. Right now I'm in Sharjah. I come to visit one of the island, and there is a butterfly house, existing butterfly house inside one of the island in Sharjah. So let's go there. This is the ticket counter. I need to get the ticket from there. For island also separate ticket, and for the butterfly house also separate ticket. And this is actually man-made island. You can see from here. This is a small island. It's a man-made island. This place is called Buhaira Sharjah Cornish. I got the ticket. It's the 15 dirham for the butterfly house, not for island. If I want to go to the island, it will be 35 dirham extra for only the island, and for the if it will be coming included both, so it will be coming total 50 dirham. This is the footbridge to cross this river to reach the island. So look at the bridge. I mean, when I saw from some of photos, and this photos is captured by sky. I mean, like from the sky. So that time I was thinking, oh my God, is this a 3D bridge? Actually, no. But this bridge is look like awesome. You can see, it's not look like a normal. It's a wooden bridge actually, footbridge. So this is the river. It's connected with the Arab Sea, but I don't know from this side or this side is connected with the Arab Sea. And you can see the all around of the Sharjah. It's a island is actually between the Sharjah city. You can see, and this is the dates of, you can see is a garden, and one of the beautiful mosque is here. It's called also Al Noor Mosque. So this island's name is Al Noor Island. So let's go. Right now I cannot enter in the island because of there is some maintenance is going on. So only just I took the pass only for the butterfly garden, butterfly house. So let's go there. I am already reached on the island site. So this is the map, and this is island. You can see the board. I think that is the house of the butterfly. So let's see the map. So you can see those are the roads. I think that is also the Odin roads. Yes, see. The Odin roads is there, but as a restriction you cannot enter right now because of maintenance is going on. And look at the dates. খেজুরগুলা দেখেন একেবারে আমাদের দেশীয় ইয়ের মতো, বাট এখানে পারা যাবে না। নিচে পড়লে আপনি টুকে কুড়ে খেতে পারবেন, বাট আপনি উপর থেকে পারতে পারবেন না, কারণ এখানে টোটালি মানা। ঠিক আছে, এখানে মানা করা আছে, আপনি ইয়ে করতে পারবেন না। So you can see this is the butterfly house. So it's here actually. From this way, just look at the wow, what a creativity. Butterfly house. Look, this is the entrance of the butterfly house. Hello. Yeah. Wow, just look. Let's in. Oh my God, guys, just look. I hear there is a 500 butterflies available right now. Oh, and that is for them, this is the food, lunch, dinner and breakfast, banana and orange. Oh my goodness, unbelievable. In Dubai we can see the butterflies flying. এই বাটারফ্লাইগুলো অ্যাকচুয়ালি বহিরাগত, এক্সোটিক। ইউ ক্যান সি, মাই গুডনেস। বিশ্বাস করার মতো না, মনে হচ্ছে যে আমাদের দেশ গ্রামের বাড়িতে আছে না, যে বাটারফ্লাই বনে জঙ্গলে বা গাছের আশেপাশে বা ইয়েতে ঝোপঝাড়ে বসে, সেম এরকম এক্স্যাক্টলি তারা এরকম এটার ইয়ে মতো বানাইছে। অনেক প্রজাতির বাটারফ্লাই আছে, বাট এগুলা তো আমার ইয়ার বাহিরে, কারণ এগুলা সম্বন্ধে আমার কোনো নলেজ নাই। সো অনেকগুলা বাটারফ্লাই আছে, অনেক প্রজাতির। এই যে দেখেন, লোক এগুলা হচ্ছে নতুন প্রজাতির এগুলাকে বলে পিউপাস। এখানে মোর দেন 600 সামথিং, মোর দেন 600 আই থিঙ্ক পিউপাস আছে এখানে। সো এগুলো হচ্ছে নতুন প্রজাতির প্রজাপতি বাটারফ্লাইজ। বাটারফ্লাই হাউসটা চতুর্দিক দিয়ে অলমোস্ট সম্পূর্ণটা গ্লাসেরই করা, কারণ এখানে সূর্যের রশ্মিটা দরকার। প্রজাপতির জন্য সানলাইটটা খুবই প্রয়োজনীয়, তো যার কারণে এটা গ্লাসের দিয়ে করা। আর যখনই আপনি আসবেন, বিশেষ করে যখন সানলাইট থাকে তখনই আসবেন। অন্য সময় আসলে আপনি দেখবেন যে এগুলা হয়তো উঠতেছে না, কোনো এক জায়গায় বসা আছে, এরকম দেখতে পাবেন। আর এখন গরম তো অনেক বাইরে, টেম্পারেচার লাইক অলমোস্ট 45 degree up. So for that thing, people are not coming right now. They will be here on like after 3 or 4 o'clock. And this is the timing is from 9 o'clock to 6 o'clock, this butterfly house. Okay, so don't forget, if you want to come before 6 o'clock. And if you want to see the butterflies flying, so you have to come by like until the sunlight is, come inside the house. Otherwise, if you will come, you will never see the butterflies is flying. Guys, just look, one of the butterflies on my hand. Unbelievable. Wow. আরেকটা প্রজাপতি আমার হাতে বসছে, আপনারা দেখতে পাচ্ছেন। এটা এমন ভাবে বসছে মনে হচ্ছে যেন আমার কাছে মানে খাবারের উপরে বসছে। আমার হাতে খাবার আছে, সেই খাবারগুলো খুদাই করে খাওয়ার চেষ্টা করতেছে। If you want to buy, you can buy. This is the photo frame with the butterfly. This is not the genuine one, obviously. So you can buy. I don't know. Oh, is the price is also there? Is the 68? My God, 80 dirham. Is the bigger one is the big price. The small one is a small price. So if you are interested to buy, you can buy. There is also some kids, the toys. And here is one coffee shop also. If you want to drink coffee and snacks is available here, and wonderful sitting place. So guys, this was the video about the butterfly house in Noor Island. So I'm telling you that don't come on before 3 o'clock, come after 3 o'clock, and remember that 6 o'clock is the closing time. So try to reach before 6 o'clock, because of the, if you want to see the butterflies are flying, so there will be like sunlight should be there. Otherwise you cannot see it's flying. It will be like you cannot see, it will be hidden in the inside of the plants, trees. So it's better if you will come on the until the sunlight is there. Okay, so I'm telling you it's for good. So don't forget to subscribe my channel and share with your friends. So see you in the next video in some other places. Until that time, stay safe, stay healthy. Allah Hafiz.